Protege mis cosas. Protect my things. Protect my things. Protege. Protect. Mis cosas. My things. Protect my things. Protege mis cosas. Tengo una infección. I have an infection. I have an infection. Tengo. I have. Una infección. An infection. Tengo una infección. I have an infection. Huelo algo bueno. I smell something good. I smell something good. Huelo. I smell algo. Something bueno. Good. I smell something good. Huelo algo bueno. ¿Qué tan lejos está? How far is it? How far is it? ¿Qué tan? How lejos? Far está? Is it? How far is it? ¿Qué tan lejos está? Dales agua. Give them water. Give them water. Dales. Give them agua. Water. Give them water. Dales agua. Haz un agujero aquí. Make a hole here. Make a hole here. Haz. Make. Un agujero. A hole. Aquí. Here. Make a hole here. Haz un agujero aquí. Make a hole here. Fue un desastre. It was a disaster. It was a disaster. Fue. It was. Un desastre. A disaster. It was a disaster. Fue un desastre. ¿Estabas enfermo? Were you sick? Were you sick? ¿Estabas? Were you enfermo? Sick? Were you sick? Hará frío pronto. It will get cold soon. It will get cold soon. hará. It will get. Frío. Cold. Pronto. Soon. It will get cold soon. Mi familia me necesitó. My family needs me. My family needs me. Mi familia. My family me necesita. Needs me. My family needs me. Dos días más. 2 more days. 2 more days. Dos. 2 días más. More days. 2 días más. 2 more days. Prevenimos una crisis. We prevented a crisis. We prevented a crisis. Prevenimos. We prevented una crisis. A crisis. We prevented a crisis. ¿Has estado allí? Have you been there? Have you been there? Has, have you estado, been, allí, there? Have you been there? ¿Has estado allí? La situación ha mejorado. The situation has improved. The situation has improved. La situación. The situation ha mejorado. Has improved. La situación ha mejorado. The situation has improved. El mío es negro. Mine is black. Mine is black. El mío, mine, es negro. Is black. Mine is black. Requieren un pago. They require a payment. They require a payment. Requieren. They require un pago. A payment. Requieren un pago. They require a payment. Gastamos mucho dinero. We wasted lots of money. We wasted lots of money. Gastamos. We wasted mucho. Lots of dinero. Money. We wasted lots of money. Gastamos mucho dinero. Me dejó fascinado. It left me fascinated. It left me fascinated. Me dejó. It left me fascinado. Fascinated. It left me fascinated. Me dejó fascinado. Necesitamos más gente. We need more people. We need more people. Necesitamos. We need. Más. More. Gente. People. We need more people. Necesitamos más gente. We need more people. No hay comida aquí. There is no food here. There is no food here. No hay. There is no comida. Food. Aquí. Here. There is no food here. No hay comida aquí. Ignora estos. Ignore these. Ignore these. Ignora. Ignore. Estos. These. Ignore these. Come con nosotros. Eat with us. Eat with us. Come. Eat. Con. With. Nosotros. Us. Eat with us. El desayuno está listo. Breakfast is ready. Breakfast is ready. El desayuno. Breakfast está listo. Is ready. El desayuno está listo. Breakfast is ready. Estaremos en el lago. We will be at the lake. We will be at the lake. Estaremos. We will be in, at, el lago, the lake. We will be at the lake. Estaremos en el lago. Haré uno aquí. I will make one here. I will make one here. Haré. I will make uno, one, aquí. Here. Haré uno aquí. I will make one here.